There are two different types of pedals that are available to your average mountain biker right now. There's a clip-in style pedal, or what's called a clipless pedal, which is a misleading term because there used to be a lot of pedals that had cages, like a toe clip, where you stuck your foot in and there was a strap where it got strapped down. So these are called clipless pedals, even though this other type of pedal, which is a flat pedal, this is the clipless pedal because you're clipped into this. So when you hear people talking, it's kind of confusing. But this is a flat pedal and this is a clipless pedal in the Garmin jargon. But the reason we'd use a flat pedal like this is either we're not comfortable being attached to our bike, or the conditions are such that your feet are off the pedals so much that it's just, doesn't make any sense to try to be attached. So these pedals are pretty cool. This specific model is very thin, got big old grippy pins. You definitely want to use some shin pads when you're riding these pedals. And as far as flat pedals go, this is about as good as it gets. Nice big platform to fit your foot. With clipless pedals, you have two fundamentally different options. As you can see, these both use the same retention mechanism from a company called Crank Brothers. These are egg beater pedals, and these are mallet pedals. This one has a large platform, kind of like the flat pedal. And the reason you'd choose a clipless pedal with a platform is if you aren't clipped in, like it's a really rough trail, something like that, and you're taking your feet off a lot, it gives you something to stand on. And the way these pedals work is, as you can see here, here's a shoe that's designed to work with these. This one's chock full of mud, but you'll be surprised I can still clip in even with my shoe all muddy. So as you see, I'm attached. And the way I get out, I can't get out by pulling up, pulling to the side. I can only twist my heel to get out. It's a pretty cool system. There's other styles of clipless pedals or binding style pedals that have a firmer engagement mechanism. But one of the great things about these is even when they're all muddy, it's still a quick and easy in and out. So there are a couple different types of pedals for you to consider.